Searching for the best wheel and tire cleaner feels like walking into a car care aisle where every bottle says the same thing: deep clean, no scrubbing, showroom shine. But here's the thing, most of them either leave greasy residue sling onto your paint or just don't cut through real brake dust. So today I'm breaking down the 5 that actually deliver without the fluff. Product number 1, Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat. First up is the Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat, a ceramic-based tire shine that promises showroom new looks without the mess. Priced at $19.20 for 10 Oz, it's positioned as a premium upgrade over traditional sprays, and honestly it caught my eye because it claims to last up to 10x longer. If you want deep, long-lasting shine that won't turn your driveway into a slip-and slide, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most tire shines either fade in a few days or sling black goo all over your car's paint. Cerakote's formula uses ceramic technology to bond to the tire surface, giving you that wet, glossy look while staying dry to the touch. That means no sling zero. And because it's non-greasy, dirt and grime don't stick as easily, so your tires stay cleaner between washes. The included foam applicator makes it super easy to apply evenly, and you only need a thin layer. With over 9,000 people buying it in the past month, it's clearly resonating with detailers who hate reapplying every weekend. Now, some people complained about the price being higher than drugstore brands. Here's the thing though, you're not just buying shine, you're buying durability. One bottle lasts way longer than 3 cheap sprays, and the ceramic protection actually helps preserve your tire rubber from UV damage. That said, if you're on a tight budget or only clean your car once a month, this might feel like overkill. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end finish that lasts weeks, not days, and you hate the mess of traditional tire dressings. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick, cheap fix or prefer spray-on convenience over wipe-on application. For the performance and longevity, it's absolutely worth the investment. Product number 2, EC4 Pack Wheel Brush Kit. Next is the EC4 Pack Long Handle Wheel Brush Kit, a detailing toolkit designed for deep cleaning, not just surface shine. At $21.82, it's not a cleaner itself, but the perfect partner for any wheel cleaner. What stood out immediately was the variety: 2 ultra-soft woolies for rims, 1 stiff tire brush, and a detailing brush for lug nuts. If you want to actually clean your wheels instead of just spraying and rinsing, this kit is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Brake dust gets baked into tight spots around lug nuts, behind spokes, along the barrel, and a regular sponge just won't cut it. The soft woolies are metal-free and bend up to 360 degrees, so they reach into cracks without scratching chrome or polished aluminum. The thick fibers hold plenty of cleaner, letting you scrub away grime efficiently. And the stiff bristled tire brush, perfect for knocking loose embedded dirt from tire treads and sidewalls. Over 3,000 units sold last month shows real demand for tools that make cleaning less of a chore. Now, some people complain the handles feel a bit flimsy during heavy use. Here's the thing though, these aren't meant for prying or aggressive scrubbing. They're precision tools, and as long as you use them as intended, they hold up fine. The silicone grips do prevent slipping, which is huge when your hands are wet and soapy. This is perfect for you if you take pride in a thorough clean and want brushes that actually reach where dirt hides. Skip this one if you only do quick rinses or hate getting your hands dirty. For the price, it's one of the best value detailing kits out there. Product number 3, P&S Brake Buster Wheel Cleaner. Now, if the last product was about tools, this one is about chemistry, the P&S Brake Buster Wheel Cleaner. This non-acid formula is built to dissolve brake dust, corrosion, and road grime without eating into your wheels. With no listed price but strong professional backing, it's a favorite among detailers. If you want a cleaner that actually lifts embedded iron particles and protects your wheels long-term, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Brake dust isn't just ugly, it's corrosive. Over time, it can pit and stain wheels, especially on daily drivers. Brake Buster uses a foaming action that clings to surfaces, breaking down iron deposits and road film so they rinse away easily. And because it's non-acid, it's safe on chrome, aluminum, powder-coated, and painted wheels, no risk of dulling or discoloration. The fact that it leaves a protective coating means your wheels stay cleaner longer, reducing how often you need to clean. Over 2,000 buyers in the past month, many of them pros, trust this stuff for a reason. Now some people complained it doesn't work as well on extremely caked-on grime without pre-soaking. Here's the thing though, no cleaner removes years of buildup in 10 seconds. For maintenance cleaning, it's excellent. For heavy-duty jobs, just let it sit a bit longer or use it with a brush. It's not magic, but it's close. This is perfect for you if you want professional-grade cleaning without harsh acids. Skip this one if you need instant results on neglected wheels or prefer super cheap drugstore options. For performance and wheel safety, it's top tier. Product number 4, Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for everyday users, the Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This 24 Oz spray is a household name for a reason. It's affordable, widely available, and gets the job done. If you want a reliable, no-fuss cleaner that dissolves grime on contact and works on all wheel types, this is a safe bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Not everyone needs pro-grade chemistry. If you just want to spray, rinse, and move on, Armor All cuts through grease, brake dust, and road film fast. It's safe for all wheels, no worrying about finishes, and the spray nozzle gives even coverage. It doesn't foam like Brake Buster, but it doesn't need to. For regular maintenance, it's more than enough. With 2,000 plus sold last month, it's clear people trust the brand for quick cleanups. Now some people complained it can leave a hazy residue if not rinsed thoroughly. Here's the thing though, that's easily fixed with a quick wipe down. It's not as durable or protective as ceramic options, but it's not trying to be. It's a cleaner, not a coating. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, affordable solution for weekly washes. Skip this one if you're chasing show car perfection or need long-term protection. For the price and convenience, it's a solid choice. Product number 5, Nikco's MK 7-piece wheel brush set. Finally, the Nikco's MK 7-piece wheel brush set, another comprehensive toolkit but with even more versatility. At $24.39, it includes soft rim brushes, stiff tire brushes, detailing brushes, and even tire shine applicator pads. If you want an all-in-one kit that cleans and shines without buying separate products, this is the most complete option here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cleaning wheels isn't just about scrubbing, it's about reaching every nook and then finishing with a clean shine. The synthetic wool brushes are soft and flexible, bending into tight spaces without scratching. The included tire shine pads are a nice touch. They apply dressing evenly, reducing waste and mess. And the organizer bag keeps everything tidy. Over 1,000 sold last month shows growing interest in bundled solutions. Now some people complain the tire shine pads wear out after a few uses. Here's the thing though, they're washable and reusable if you rinse them properly and let them dry. Just don't expect them to last forever. The brushes themselves, though, are built well. This is perfect for you if you want a full detailing kit in one box. Skip this one if you already have brushes or prefer buying cleaners and tools separately. For the completeness and quality, it's a great value. So which one's right for you? If you want ceramic level shine that lasts, go with Cerakote. Need deep cleaning power? P&S Brake Buster is the pro pick. For everyday ease, Armor All gets it done. And if you're all about the tools, both EC and Nikco's MK deliver. Nikco's MK just gives you more extras. No matter your priority, these 5 actually work. Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like if this helped you skip the guesswork.